Hello Mzansi, welcome to Askhuluma with Pro. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Isukile emkhathini Grace Mondlana kanye Lerato Nqumalo. Lerato and Grace are content creators kani utsite ifollower laphana ku Grace Mondlana. You and Lerato Nqumalo should collaborate. Watu Grace makaphendula Lola no iyavele yasusa tinkinga letikhulu comments ya Grace yokuthi Lola nobala baningi bathi she's mean noma ngabe uthulile instead of saying she could have just ignored the comment kunokuthi avela athi no nje njalo so rudely so balabaningi bafile ngazuthi umbukela phansi ku Lerato Nqumalo and uke wathi ngalinye langa there's one content creator lomkopelako so bantu bahlanganise 1+1 bavela bona ukuthi sho ukuthi bekakhuluma ngaLerato Nqumalo ke sana Umogel decided to reply to isigaxa sa Grace Mondlana and akusukela tikhulu tingulumo lapha kuma social media platforms especially lapha ku TikTok because these two content creators ba busy kakhulu lapha ku TikTok so uLerato Nqumalo decided ukuthi akavela phendule aleya comment yaMogel yokuthi akafuni ku collaborate naye kasana wabhala the following wathi same girl I comforted and bought flowers and a home gift when she was panicking that Twitter people were saying she's mean. Well, she is mean and she's obsessed with people talking about her on Twitter. She's also got a fake account she uses to read comments on Twitter, always on her phone and can't live in the moment. That's why I don't fuck with her anymore. She's attention obsessed. Hope she enjoys being messy. Utumogele wamsita ku Grace Mondlana wamthengela nemaflower wamthangela futhi ne-gift ngalesikhani amuva ku-apartment yakhe uTugele u-obsessed ke sana and uyasaba ukuthi abantu bahlale bakhuluma ngaye uMogele uze une-fake account la funza khona tindzaba laphana ku-Twitter and mali abaningi were like yo yaze yasuka imbi phakathi kwaGrace naLerato. I wanted to pay line because by a trend. Please subscribe, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.